start. I'm not used to vlogging. I don't really like vlogging that much. I don't like my face. But I want to explain what I'm doing. I'm actually not making videos at the moment. I got 2 weeks of a summer camp that I'm teaching at. Now this isn't a normal summer camp. Instead, it's a little bit different. We're teaching kids art and like different arts. I mean, here we have creative movement, African dance, hip hop, hand drumming, everything like that. It's pretty freaking cool if you ask me. I mean, look at this. You see this? It's called ASAP. Not as soon as possible. After school arts. What I'm teaching the art of storytelling through different medias. Now, you guys might be looking at the computer screens and being like, you've only done 3 videos. Do you know? And yes, I didn't even say the word. That's how cool I am. What I'm getting at is that I've been telling stories for as long as I remember. Just because I haven't been doing it on YouTube doesn't mean anything. And that's one thing that I've gotten to learn. Some of these kids I didn't even know before they came here. And these kids are amazing. They're inspiring me. And that is my favorite part of this. See, let me take you. Come here. I said. So these kids are coming up to me. And they're giving me different stories every day. I mean, in pictures, do you see how good that is? Look at this. And words. I mean, some of these kids are coming up with like comics. And I'm sitting here and all I've been doing is telling stories on a camera. I forgot my roots. My roots have always been and always will be writing. Now, the thing is, I had no plans going into this. I mean, you can look at my book and all I had written down was like the days of what a story entails. But it didn't work. I only had 3 days, 45 minutes of class. Dude, but the best part about this is I don't have to have a plan. It's gonna be a little short this week, mostly because I have to constantly be thinking of the next thing I'm doing, because as I explained, I didn't really plan this out, but as much as I'm gaining confidence in what stories I'm gonna tell, I also have to let go of YouTube right now. Now the thing is, again, I've only made 4 videos. So you guys are probably like, we don't even care, you have 2 subscribers, what does it matter? Well, looking back on it, being a YouTuber, it's something that helps me stay creative. So by letting this go, it's gonna break a little part of me, but also I'm understanding that this is my focus. These kids. Hi. So, I was editing the video and I decided I didn't do a good enough job with ending it. Now, I wanted to talk about how the end of it isn't really cheery and delightful. The end of it's going to be about how I'm taking a break after 4 videos, and it feels weird. It really, really feels weird that I would require a break already. But that's okay. I think. I hope. I'm going to come back with even more videos right after this, especially a lot more of story videos and less vloggy stuff. I just need right now to focus on the camp. I hope you guys understand. More videos will be coming out, again, Tuesday/Wednesday. I'm most likely going to screw up on Tuesdays and it's going to be out Wednesday, but I'm trying to keep to my word about going out on Tuesdays. So I'll see you guys in about 2 weeks. Goodbye.